Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I got this fuse bulb and thought to test my artistic skills. So let's paint on this bulb with these acrylic colors. Starting with the sketch first. Here I haven't used any kind of reference images. I'm just sketching it very randomly. So yeah, let's start with the darkest color first. Then I'll be using pure red for the middle part and a little bit of white, or you can say a mix of red and white to add the highlights. Can you see the blending here? These acrylic colors are my current favorite and I have used these colors on almost every surface, like on pillow cover, on wooden slice, almost every surface. And I can't tell you, I am amazed by the result. Like, I just love the quantity, the quality, and the blending is so smooth and perfect. So, if you are into acrylics and want to try some new colors or want to invest in some good quality colors, then this is the best option for you. I have attached the link in my description box, so make sure you check it out. So here I am adding few details, so like highlights and shadows, some seeds, and that's all.